Okay, first graders, so today we're going to continue our work with related facts and subtraction. So I want to start by looking at this picture. And I see some cowboy hats. So let's look at those hats. I want to know first, what is the total number of hats? I'll let you think about that for a minute. Good job. There are 7 hats in total. Now let's think about how many hats have a star. Great, 3 hats have a star. How many hats do not have a star on them? Perfect. 4 of those hats do not have a star. So I used what I knew about this picture to help me answer these 3 questions below. Now I want to move over to these equations. I have 2 equations, and my first question says, how does each of these subtraction facts match the picture? Now I notice that in both of these equations, the number 7 is first. That is telling me that my total is 7. I have 7 hats in total. Well, in the top equation, I have minus 3. What is that telling me? Good job! They're subtracting the hats that have a star on them to find out how many hats do not have a star. So what's going on in this bottom equation? How did they mix those numbers up to create a related fact? Excellent. So they still kept the total, which is 7, but instead of subtracting the amount of hats that have a star on them, they're subtracting the amount of hats that do not have a star. So instead of having 7 minus 3, I have 7 minus 4 to get my answer of how many hats have a star. These 2 equations are related facts because they're using the picture to help them solve each equation. They're using what they know about the hats to help them solve the problem.